Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make plantain cheese. This is a baked plantain cheese, an oven baked plantain cheese. How to make oven baked plantain cheese, healthy plantain cheese recipe. This plantain chips recipe is very delicious, it's very crunchy, and is a oven healthy baked plantain. If you are interested, let's dive into this plantain cheese recipe. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. For old and new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. Let's introduce you into our ingredients. I'm going to be using green plantain, which is unripe plantain, to make our plantain cheese, our oven baked plantain chips. So I'm going to start peeling off the plantain cheese. I already clean up the back, already washed it. Is advisable for you to wash your plantain before you start cooking any of your recipe. So this thing is a little bit hard for me to remove, so I'm just going to take my time to remove it and clean every part of the plantain to get that perfect plantain to prepare our oven baked plantain chips. This recipe is very simple. With just few ingredients, you are going to get that perfect oven baked plantain chips. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my plantain into smaller size. This recipe of plantain cheese, I have a recipe on how to make plantain cheese, that's plantain cheese with Olayemi. So I have a recipe on that. That one is a deep fry plantain chips recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this into smaller size. Actually not that small, because I'm going to bake it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. But because it's going to take longer in the oven to get that crunchy and that dry taste of plantain chips, so I just increased the size compared to the deep fried plantain chips. The fried plantain chips I showed earlier in my previous video, I'm going to put that up here in the you can click up here for that, or you can as well check the description below for that recipe as well. This healthy oven baked plantain chips is very easy and it's very delicious, and I really love eating plantain cheese, and that is the reason I'm sharing this recipe with you, how to make it. And it's easy to prepare at home. You can as well prepare this for selling if you want to be selling plantain cheese as well. So I'm going to put it in the oven, then in the bowl, then we'll start making our plantain chips recipe. It's a very delicious oven baked plantain chips. And plantain cheese has so many benefits as well. And as I said, I love sharing healthy food and easy method of making all this recipe. After cutting it, we are going to just add a pinch of salt into this, just to give it that taste. And you can as well add cooking oil, any type of oil on it, but I'm going to skip that. I just want it to everything look plain and natural and rich in flavor. So I'm just going to add my salt, then I'm going to mix it as well to combine my salt with my plantain to get that perfect plantain cheese recipe. So you can as well make a spicy plantain chips by adding chili pepper, dry chili pepper, and any type of pepper you feel like, but I'm going to skip that. So I'm going to use a pan to put it in the oven. You can as well use any pan available you have to bake your plantain chips. So I'm going to put the plantain chips in a baking wrapper, then I'm going to transfer it to the oven. I already start preheating my oven to make it bake very fast, to make my plantain chips bake very fast with the time I'm going to use to bake my plantain chips. So I'm going to put it in the pan. I'm just going to spread everything in the pan. With this pan is a little bit small, so I'm going to as well put it in other pan. The remaining part of the cut plantain chips, I'm going to put it in another pan just to get it. I just give it a space so it will be easy for me to move around if I decided to change the position of the plantain cheese. But actually I'm going to leave it like this in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes. So this is the outcome of it in the pan. So let's transfer it in the oven. I already start preheating my oven about 20 minutes ago. So let's transfer it in the oven, and this is the outcome. I already put the first tray in in the oven. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the second pan as well, so to allow these plantain chips to bake for 30 to 45 minutes. So if you've not liked my video, please do not forget to hit the like button. If you are still watching this video to this spot, please hit the like button. So this is the outcome after 35 minutes. Can as well allow it to dry more than this, but I like it after 35 minutes. I'm going to transfer it in a bowl. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. It encourages me to do more, and it costs you nothing. So if you're watching it on Facebook, please do not forget to check my channel on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And remember to follow our Facebook page as well. Thanks so much for watching this healthy baked plantain chips. Hope to see you all in my next video, and please stay safe out there. Thanks so much for watching this my healthy oven baked plantain chips. Bye bye.